Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing how I make this Buka stew using smoked fish and cow tail. Yes guys, this is very delicious stew. You need to give it a try if you haven't tried it before. So yeah, let's get to the ingredients guys. So guys, like I always do, I'm going to list the ingredient that are description box, so make sure you check it out. So here is the fresh tomatoes and bell pepper. I'm going to be using garlic and ginger as well. Here is 1 onion. I'm going to be using red oil. Yes, you're going to be needing red oil for this recipe. Salt, some Lucos beans and nut cube, and here is the cow tail, skin cow tail. I'm going to, they already skin it, and smoked fish. You can use as much as you want or anything you want. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to blend the pepper, the tomatoes. I've already cleaned them, so go ahead and clean yours and blend them. The reason why I'm not using the intestine or assorted as it's called is because I don't really like it that much. Okay, anyway, so for the sauce, we're going to smoke this oil for 10 minutes. So just add red oil into the pan. And there is something I normally do. I learned this thing from the village back home. So I normally add salt into the red oil. This is to prevent the red oil from attacking you, like you having a cough while the red oil is bleaching. So salt helps it a lot to calm that taste down. Okay, so here is after 10 minutes the red oil, as you can see, the color have changed. So I put the heat down and I took out a little bit of red oil before adding the onion on that one. So make sure you take about a cooking spoon out of the red oil you smoked. So now I added onion into the sauce. I'm cooking the onion. While the onion is cooking, I'm going to add the Lucos beans and nut cube into the oil and onion, and I'm going to cook them until the onion cook down, which is going to take about 2 minutes or thereabout. Just I love to stir them continuously while they are cooking. So after the onion have cooked down, I'm going to add the blended tomatoes and pepper. Yes, I didn't cook them, I just add them right from the blender. Okay, I use food processor as well because I love the consistency the food processor normally gives to my tomatoes and pepper whenever I'm making sauce. So if you have food processor, go ahead and use it. So I'm going to cook this until the oil started coming out, like until the water from the tomatoes and the pepper dried up. So as you can see, they've changed color, means that they are almost cooked, as you can see there. So I'm going to add the cooked cow tail. Just at this time, just add any meat you're using, chicken or anything you're using, into it. And I've already washed the fish as well. So after adding the meat, I'm going to add the cooking spoon I asked you to remove from the oil. I'm going to add the oil back into the oil, the sauce, stir them all together. Then I'm going to be adding the fish. So because I don't want the fish to like separate, I'm going to be very careful with this now while I'm stirring them. I steam the meat with onion, pepper, salt, and some nut cube and thyme and rosemary, in case if you're wondering. So now I'm going to cover the sauce and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes with the meat and the fish inside. Just be careful not to separate the fish if you don't want them to be separated, or if you want them to be separated, it's your choice as well. So at this time the sauce is cooked, is well cooked, as you can see there. This is so delicious. This still remind me back home, because I know back home we normally use palm oil to make this type of stew. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.